This is an electric tester that I recently ordered from Temu. As you can see, it has a very beautiful design and an attractive look. When you touch it, the tester immediately shows you the earth connection and indicates where it is receiving the grounding dot, unlike conventional testers. Where you don't get a visible light, this tester comes with built-in cells. One of the biggest advantages of this feature is that it allows you to check any wire. And if there is a breakage or fault in that wire, the tester will pinpoint exactly where the break has occurred. For example, here you can see that the wire is properly connected to electricity. When I touch the tester here, it clearly shows me the path, confirming that the wire is working fine at this point. Now, if the wire were broken at some point, the green light would not appear beyond that location. As you can see in this case, the green light disappears after the break, which means the connection is lost. Right here, the green light is showing the earth connection clearly. Now if we check a live socket, you can see that the red light glows instantly. The red light means that electricity is present at this point. In this socket, the other side shows no light, which indicates neutral, while this side is live, and that's why the red light appears. Wherever the phase is available, it will always glow red. The main benefit of this tester is that if there is any kind of breakage in your wire or any fault in the circuit, you don't have to cut it open or damage it to check. This tester gives you an instant and accurate idea of the exact point where the wire or circuit has broken. If you are interested in purchasing this very beautiful, highly useful and elegant tool, the link is available in the description below. It is available on Temu as well as on Amazon. You can simply click the link and place your order.